Demonstration of classification rule process of employee dataset. So that is experiment number 6. Demonstration of classification rule process of employee dataset. So our experiment is demonstration of classification rule process on dataset employee.arf using J48 algorithm. So if you want to execute this experiment by using Weka tool, so we need to install the Weka 3.4.1. So after opening the Weka tool, we have the 4 menus, that is Simple CLI, Explorer, Experimenter, Knowledge Flow. So you can click on the Explorer menu. You may find out these are the menu options. So pre-process, classify, cluster, associate, select attributes, visualize. So our experiment is employee.arf file. So if you want to create the employee.arf file, you can open the notepad. So open the notepad and you can type the that is at the rate of relation. So dataset name is employee. So for this employee, we need to create 3 attributes. More attributes also can create, but I simply take the 3 attributes. So at the rate of attribute age. So I define the age, or these are the values I need to supply in the data set, that is 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 35, 30, 48. Next, second attribute is at the rate of salary 10K, 15K, 17K, 20K, 25K, 30K, 34K, 35K, 32K. Next, at the rate of performance and good average poor. Next, at the rate of data, percentage symbol. So 25, first records 25, age is 25, salary is 10K, performance is 4. Next, age is 27, 15K, and comma 4. So next, third record is 27, 17K, salary, 4 is the performance. Age is 28, 17K, and performance is 4. Next, fifth record 29, age 20K, salary, average. So like that, you can define the what are the data you need to fill. All the data you can type like this. After complete of your data, just you can place percentage symbol. So this is a data creation in Notepad. So click on File menu and save as. So I am saving this data into desktop. So the file name is employee, because of we are creating employee dataset, employee.arff. So .arff means attribute relation file format. So save type is all files. So place in desktop and save. So I already the name will have, so I am replacing as yes. Click on replace. So this is the saved. See that C:, users Dell PC desktop employee.arfl. This is the file will be location. So I need to open this file and load into the Weka tool. So click on open file in Weka Explorer menu. Select desktop. The file name is employee.arfl. That is the dataset. Just click on open. So after opening the file, you may see the information about this dataset. So relation is employee, that is dataset name. Attributes are 3, instances are 12. So 12 instances means 12 records which are there in the dataset, and 3 attributes are in the dataset. Now I need to apply the J48 algorithm for this employee dataset. So select on classify menu. So here classifier is options will be there. Classifier, choose. So J48 is algorithm is decision tree induction algorithm. So in the trees menu, we have select the J48. Select J48. Apply the cross validation fold 10 is a measurement, accuracy measurement. So select this one and click on start menu. So this is the information we are getting after applying the J48 algorithm for employee dataset. So here time taken to build a model is 0 seconds. The correctly classified instances are 5, that is 41%. Incorrectly classified records are 58%. So this is accuracy. So if you want to see the graph, that is a tree. So click on results list. In results list, click on the with right click of the mouse right click, then click on select as visualize tree. So this is a tree we are getting decision tree for getting the after applying the J48 algorithm. So this is a way you can apply the J48 algorithm process for a particular training data set. Particular